Leather bag quality is not just about how it looks. Will the surface color wear off with repeat use? Will it crack in cold weather? These are the questions that need answer at sampling stage. PU PVC genuine leather with different durability profiles. To do 2 tests ahead, let you make the right choice at sourcing. Now we test the pure leather sample to show you the results. This one tests whether the leather surface will wear through after a set number of rubbing cycles. We set the speed and parameters based on the client's requirements. You can see the leather rubbing clockwise. Obvious wear is visible to see. If it's not obvious, we use a magnifying glass to check the surface. For the passing standard, aside from the normal indentations from rubbing, the surface layer must be intact. Besides everyday abrasion resistance, we also test how the material holds up in extremely cold. Follow me. This machine, we set the temperature to match the winter conditions of the client's target market, then cut a piece of material to the specified size, place it in the fixture, and flex it repeatedly over 2,500 cycles. You can clearly see whether the leather cracks. If it cracks, it fails the test. We'll contact the fabric supplier and return or replace the entire batch. From our experience, PU leather is more stable while PVC leather usually can't pass this test. Also, this machine can test soft materials like silicone and leather edge paint quality to see if it's easy to crack in low temperature. How a bag performs in January matters as much as in July. We will cover the leather durability under different conditions. If you are looking for a supply chain partner who treats your quality standard as their own, we would like to talk.